Hi, welcome to clickmyproject.com.
We can see our project title is SUSIE, Search Using Services and Information Extraction. A web service might provide a method that returns the songs of a given singer. If the user asks for the singer of some specific song, then the web service cannot be called, even though the underlying database might have the desired piece of information. On-the-fly information extraction to collect values that can be used as parameter. We propose to use on-the-fly information extraction to collect the values, so bindings for the web service. Our approach is fully implemented in a prototype called SUSIE. We present experiments with real-life data and services to demonstrate the practical viability and good performance of our approach. Our project motivation is evaluation procedure that prioritizes inverse functions over infinite tall chain. We can see our project data flow diagram is. We can start our process. We illustrate the constructions of the data log program proposed in our function. However, the goal remains the computation of maximal results. The successive accesses are not eliminated, or do they have a special treatment since they are relevant for this goal. So next process is user query. User search query lyrics starting letter name to find our inverse function of user search query into the database. To compensate, using user search query starting letter lyrics matching whole film and any other language display. To select adding inverse functions, if the user wants to know who sang, cannot be used the desired information even though the database contains the desired information. To classify of data relative matching singer and film name. To find out similar based search query relative content in same singer name, film name and durations. Next process is clustering of data. To classify of data relative matching singer and film name to find out similar based search query relative content in same singer and film durations we can display. To extract information user search query, a user to get same information search query process. This function is used in any users to get same information. We can reduce time delay. Any other user search query user to get same information in single link.
To see our demo is to click on the upload data button. We choose in dataset in images dataset. So I have to select in SUSIE datasets and images datasets. The how many files found in dataset it will be count in the process. Totally 33 number of files in datasets. So row count 198. The totally rows are 198 in dataset extracted into the databases. So one aims to find maximal content rewriting of the initial query. They also have to be prioritized according in order to provide the maximal number of answers. We also aim to automate the discovery of new web services and their integration into the system. So number of files in 33 image data in the datasets. So the row count number of rows count in 198. So to click on the extract button, so extracted successfully. Code into the database to save on the dataset extracted successfully. So file dataset save in database. So to click on the image data button, whole image path displayed here. So to click on the next button, to click on the pre-processing button. So pre-processing data successfully. So it removes the unwanted matching data in dataset and image path. So be removes the data. So to click on the view button to show on. So to click on the view button to show on same which data can be matching that data only view on images. So to click on the grouping button, so clustering of process. So that's separate the whole data sets separated into the 4 clustering of process. So lyrics, language, timer and singer name. So to click on the lyrics button, so to click on the lyrics button to show on only lyrics in the film. So to click on the language button, so what are the types of languages in the datasets? So to shown in the group box 3. So to click on the timer button, so the song durations will be displayed here. So to click on the singer name, so clustering of process different type language, singer's name and film name and duration hold in datasets. So who's singing in any language, that whole singer name displayed in here. Click on the next button. User would query process uses what we want a song, but we didn't a song name. So we have search into the which language that song to enter in language starting name only. So I have to enter in starting language name T, so in singer name P. So to click on the cluster 1 buttons. So starting letter T languages, so only in Tamil languages shown here. So to click on the cluster 2 button, so which singer name, so starting letter in, so singer name B, so singer name B Bala sang a film name in Vattabada. The clustering, first of all, clustering of process in only in language in singer name. So to click on the next button, so starting letter T and film name V, starting letter V, so cluster 1 button. So to click on the cluster 2 button, so we have seen that the film name Vattabada Sangam in Tamil languages in singer name Bala to clustering of process. So the film name that song only durations in 4 seconds. So to click on the data view button, the data view button hold Tamil film singer name Bala clustering of process in Tamil film. So to click on the user search query process to show on here, to click on the show button, the user's query relate to the song name and singer name and film name shown here. So the ID 30, lyrics name Uda color ribbon and film name and singer name, durations, so images and audio. So to click on the data list button, so to click on the image data button, the song only duration in 4 seconds. The images path and audio path will be displayed here. So to click on the next button, process user would search query, so compare success or not. So to click on the image button, the image displayed here. So user search query related images was shown here. To compare clustering of process, user would query relative matching or not. To click on the compare button, so admin process check in user search query and details are same or not, we displayed the compared will be successfully. So to click on the next button, to click on the image button, the image was shown here in depend upon user search query. So to click on the audio button, the film audio play successfully. So user we would like to downloading the song. To download, but to click on the download button, the song was downloading the process. The download song was successfully. So downloading time 442 milliseconds only. The downloading files save in user system in downloads folder. The song in downloading process in 4 seconds only. So the song the song size is 8.71 MB. Click on the next button, time analysis button, so and file size. So user search query process, file name and sizes, how to take in time in downloading process. User information extraction took us bindings for the input variables and validate. These bindings they also have to priorities accordingly. Our current implementation uses name information extraction algorithm they say mainly as a proof of concept. Thank you.